Want to turn your simple sketch into cool 3D cartoon style images? Your Galaxy S25 Ultra has an amazing AI feature called Sketch to Image, and with the S Pen it gets even more fun. Let's see how it works. First, remove the S Pen to open up the Air Command menu. Then select Sketch to Image. Now you are on the drawing canvas, and then start sketching. For the 3D cartoon style, it's best to draw simple characters, face, or cute animals. The clearer the shape, the better the result. When your sketch is ready, tap the Style drop-down menu, and then select 3D cartoon. Now tap Generate button and watch the magic happen. After a few seconds, your sketch will be transformed into some colorful 3D cartoon images. You can swipe through to see all images. If you like an image, you can tap the download icon to save it to the Sketch to Image album on your gallery. When you are done, tap the X icon at the top right, and then tap close to confirm exiting this tool. And that's it. The 3D cartoon style is perfect for giving your simple character sketches a fun and playful look. So grab your S Pen and try sketching a cartoon face or pet. You will love the result. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.